Hello there. Today we will learn how to install AutoCAD. The first thing you are going to do is go to your browser, type in autodesk.com, and hit enter. Now that you are on the Autodesk homepage, select the Support drop-down menu. From here, click on the Downloads tab. Now, select the Students and Educators option. You should now see a list of the products offered by Autodesk. Scroll down until you find the AutoCAD download and hit the Select button. This will take you to a new page where you will select the student download. From there, you will need to fill in your account information and agree to the privacy policy. After that, you will need to fill in your school's information. Here is the information required for American River College. After filling out this section and checking the verification box, you will be able to hit the Submit button. You will be taken to a new page where you will be able to install AutoCAD. Make sure the year is up to date and the language is correct. When you are ready, hit the Install button. A drop-down menu will appear with the Terms of Use and Privacy statement. Now hit Accept, and AutoCAD will begin to download. Once it has downloaded, click on the file from your computer's downloads. Click the Yes button, and AutoCAD will begin preparing for installation. After the preparation is complete, the installation will appear. Click on the Next button. From here you can click on the three dots and select the folder you would like to install AutoCAD on. Once you have picked your desired folder, click the Install button to begin the installation. Now wait for the program to install. Upon completion, you can hit the Start button to launch AutoCAD. Once opened, select this option to sign in with your Autodesk ID. After that is done, you will have access to AutoCAD. A desktop shortcut will be added to your computer's home screen. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.